Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at what might be the most overpowered gaming laptop of 2025, the Alienware 18 Area-51. Fire emoji. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the link in the description to grab this beast at a limited time discounted price. Serious specs, serious savings. Let's go. Personal computer emoji. Spec breakdown, Alien Power Unleashed. Here's what makes the Alienware Area-51 meters 2025 an elite tier machine. Display, 18GA, 2560 by 1600, 300 Hz, ultra smooth, ultra crisp visuals for pro level FPS. CPU, Intel Core Ultra 9275HX, AI enhanced hybrid core architecture for ultimate multitasking and gaming. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, 16GB GDDR7, top-of-the-line GPU for 4K ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and more. RAM, 64GB DDR5, overkill in the best way possible for multitasking, VMs, heavy content creation. Storage, 4TB SSD, massive, blazing fast storage for your entire Steam library and production suite. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, Full HD webcam, Thunderbolt, future-proof I/O and seamless connectivity. Cooling, Cryotech advanced thermal system, top-tier airflow, quiet operation, and sustained performance. Video game emoji, gaming performance, 4K Ultra? No problem. This thing laughs at AAA games. At 1440p and even native 4K, titles like Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Starfield run smoothly at ultra settings, often pushing 100 to 140 FPS thanks to the RTX 5080's DLSS 3.5 and GDDR7 speed. The 300 Hz refresh rate makes a massive difference in fast-paced games like Valorant or CS2. Every frame is sharp, responsive, and lag-free. Brain emoji, AI plus multitasking, creator's paradise. With 64GB of DDR5 RAM, a Core Ultra 9, and 4TB of SSD storage, this machine is also perfect for 4K plus video editing, 3D rendering and simulations, multicam live streaming, AI workflows like image gen, transcription, and real-time audio processing. Whether you're running After Effects, Blender, DaVinci Resolve, or Unreal Engine, it handles everything without stuttering. Snowflake emoji, thermals and design, built like a starship. Alienware's signature design is here, bold, premium, futuristic. The Cryotech cooling system keeps this beast cool under load, and the keyboard layout is built for long gaming sessions, with full RGB customization and excellent feedback. Yes, it's large, but for the power it delivers, it's a true desktop replacement. White checkmark emoji, final verdict, who is this for? This is for serious gamers, professional creators, and power users who want one machine to do it all, without compromises. The Alienware Area-51 18, 2025, is one of the most powerful laptops ever built, and if you want the best, this is it. Link symbol emoji, grab yours now. Click the link below to get the Alienware 18 Area-51 at a limited time discounted price, and secure your spot at the top of the performance pyramid in 2025.